Welcome back to Heidi's Garage. We are doing our DT466 rebuild right now. So these are all the parts we just got in today. This company gave me super fast shipping, which is awesome. I ordered everything on a Thursday and it's here on a Monday. So I think that's pretty good where it's coming from. So I went with the Interstate Mcbee kit from Heavy Duty Pros. They're awesome to work with. They called me multiple times when I was ordering it to make sure that I was getting all the right stuff for the truck and tell me what the lead times are for everything. So I knew how to schedule when I'm working on the truck and my other schedules around it. So we're going to open this up. We're going to see what everything looks like in here. I want to give you guys kind of an opening, unboxing of it. Again, Interstate Mcbee parts for the DT466P. This is a new PLN motor, but it's not the E. So we're going to start with this one. I'm going to open them, we're going to look at the parts, and I'm going to close them back up except for the ones we need. So I got the whole rebuild kit, and then some other miscellaneous parts, water pump, stuff like that. I'm not sure what this is. Guess it says right here. It says it's all the pistons and stuff. Alright, let's take a look at this. Everything's packaged pretty well. I'm going to get you guys a little closer. Alright, so here's our first box. That's nice packaging. Let's see what we got here. We got a whole stack of stuff. Okay, so these are all the piston rings. Looks like these are all the bearings. Bearing here. Yep, these are all of the rod bearings, so that's nice. They're all packaged together. Let's see, what is this? Main bearings. 10 over. Okay, so these are all bearings. Some miscellaneous gaskets. We'll lay this all out on the table when we go to start putting everything together. Alright, we're going to open this one. This doesn't say what's in it. Let's see how we want to open this one. Open it like this. See what's in here. We got our packing list. This it should say. Okay, this is all my Velcro stuff, which is good. Had to get new seals. Those look like them too. Oh yeah, little seal clips. Rotator shields. I don't know what these are. Oh, these are thrust bearings. Okay. I don't think I'm going to replace these, but they seem good on it. But it came with the kit, so we just got that set it on another Mcbee package. I'm pretty sure this one here is all our gaskets. Yep, that's what it says on it. So we're going to open these and see, because these don't have any writing on them. Yeah, I see them. So I'm assuming there's sleeves, maybe pistons as well. So let's open up this first one right here and see what we got. Interesting packaging here. look like pistons. Anything on it? Let's see. Yup. Awesome. So here's one of our pistons from it. Look identical to the ones we pulled off, so that's awesome. Good heavy duty cast aluminum. Alright, we're going to package these up and put them back away. There's 6 in here, 3 and 3 on the bottom. Alright, so these both should be sleeves. Because they're big. These are really heavy. So let's open one up. Take a look inside. Oh, that's what these are. Mammoth ones. This side up. So there's 3 in here, and then I assume there's 3 in the other box. You have a piston pin inside it too. That thing's pretty stout. And then the sleeve, which is all wrapped up, which is nice, so it doesn't rust or anything. So these are going to be nice and easy to put in. So let's just put these back in here. Put the piston pin back in there. Just going to slide this back in the box. So there is one of the Interstate Mcbee kits from Heavy Duty Pros. Not sponsored by them at all, but I would recommend ordering your stuff through them because they're super fast and they'll talk to you, get you exactly what you need for your truck and the other parts. They carry a ton of them. They also have a machine shop, so if you need a machine, you can send to them. They'll machine it for you. Alright, so we got everything set out here on the table. So we got our sleeves and the boxes still. These are our piston rings and our pistons below it in boxes. We got all 6 of those set out. And then over here we have our main bearings, our thrust bearing, and then these are all of our rod bearings. And then these are some other parts I got. Like I said before, we got our valve seals. We got our injector sleeves, so we're going to put those in. We got some anti-rotating clips. And then this is your seals for the sleeves. So the rubber gaskets for that. We'll open those later. Pickup tube gaskets, we'll probably replace that. And then these are all of our clips for our pistons. So you replace those as well because they can get stretched and stuff like that. And I did get a water pump for it because I was like, if it's running dry and stuff like that, we're getting a water pump. They're not that expensive. So this came from PAI. I also bought these from Heavy Duty Pros, and they got shipped pretty fast. So, got the gasket kit, and I think this is a front gasket kit. I'll open and see. And then our water pump, so we'll open that up. But yeah, so that's what's in the kit, and then I still haven't opened our head gaskets. I just shoved them underneath here, because I don't need to open those yet. So we're going to start, we're going to open all these up, and put all the rings on them, get them all situated, and then we're going to dry fit all of the, at least a few of the sleeves to make sure they fit right. I don't need to do any grinding or anything in the engine block, and then we'll start assembling the pistons onto the rods, and we'll pipe all of our sleeves in, and then we'll put our bearings onto the rods, and get ready to put them in the truck. But yeah, so here's your kit. Here's it all set out on the table. Quite a bit of stuff that you get. So, yep, we're going to start working. We got to still clean up the head and lap the valves in. Clean all the valves up. We're getting there. Alright, so there's a DT466 PLN water pump. Pretty heavy duty. This feels pretty nice. They got everything written on it, so you know. So we'll put those in, and then I got back. The gasket kit for the oil cooler. So it's got all oil cooler gaskets. And this is a front cover gasket kit. So if I ever take the front cover apart, I know I will take some of it apart to do the water pump. So make sure I get anything that's leaking up there covered. This isn't too expensive, so it's cheap insurance. They send you a list of everything that comes with. So you know where everything goes and the part number for it, how many of each, which is nice. We're going to open all of these and take the wrist pins out of them. Just in here in these boxes. We're going to stack them on to the side. It's over here. Keep an eye on what all we have. We're going to then test fit these, as I said before. Alright, now that was open, we're going to open up one of these to see what they look like. They send you little instructions, I guess not really. And a little warning. I'm going to pull these out. See what we got here. So, yeah, they call it the black one, the silver one. So the silver one goes on top. And the silver one's chamfered. So is the black one. And this is our oil ring. Lace this together. So the other engines I rebuilt, the oil ring is not together. That's not bad. So these will go on pretty easy. Just gonna set these back in here until we're ready to put them on. I have to figure out which way they face, because I don't know that yet. Usually they have a certain orientation for them. So I gotta find that out. We'll set that back here. Literature out. I'm gonna go find that out so we can go and put them on the pistons.